What if I told you that you can make $100 a day in Australia without investing a single dollar? And the best part? You don't need any experience to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method. Now, quick heads up, there are a lot of fake methods online that simply don't work. But in this video, I'll only show you real, beginner-friendly strategies that people are already using in Australia. So make sure you watch till the end. You don't want to miss this. Here's the deal. We're using micro-freelancing combined with simple AI tools. You don't need any advanced skills, just a phone or a laptop and an internet connection. Step 1. Choose a platform. First, sign up on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or PeoplePerHour. These platforms already have clients who are willing to pay for simple services. Step 2. Pick a simple service. Choose an easy service like logo design, resume writing, social media captions, or basic video editing. Don't have the skills? No worries. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or CapCut to get the job done. Step 3. Set up your gig. Create a clean and attractive gig with a clear title, an eye-catching thumbnail, and a simple description focused on results. For example, I will create high-quality social media content for your business. Step 4. Get your first clients. Keep your prices low initially, around $5 to $10. Deliver quickly and focus on getting positive reviews. Once you build trust, orders will start coming in consistently. Step 5. Scale to $100 per day. Increase your prices gradually, work with multiple clients, and deliver consistently. Just 3 to 5 orders a day can easily get you to $100 or more. Pro tip: stick to one skill and get really good at it. Consistency is what separates beginners from people actually making money. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and comment "Start" if you're going to try this method. I'll see you in the next one.